Want to turn your skills into cash? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 in-demand skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No prior experience required. Whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your skill set, these are perfect for you. Let's dive in. First up is data visualization. Businesses rely on data to make decisions, but raw numbers can be hard to understand. As a data visualization expert, you'll turn complex data into easy-to-read charts, graphs, and infographics. Start by learning tools like Tableau or Microsoft Power BI, which are widely used in the industry. Many companies pay $30 to $150 per hour for data visualization services, depending on the complexity of the project. To stand out, focus on storytelling and design principles. You can find clients on platforms like Upwork or by reaching out to businesses directly. With practice, this skill can open doors to high-paying opportunities in the tech and business world. Next is event planning. Whether it's a corporate event or a wedding, people are always looking for help organizing their special occasions. As an event planner, you'll handle everything from budgeting to vendor coordination. Start by learning the basics of event planning, including how to create timelines and manage budgets. Many clients pay $500 to $5,000 per event, depending on the scale and complexity. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Thumbtack or reach out to local businesses that host events. With a bit of networking and marketing, you can build a reputation and attract higher-paying clients. This skill is perfect if you enjoy organizing and want to help others create unforgettable experiences. Third is YouTube thumbnail design. With millions of creators on YouTube, standing out is crucial, and a great thumbnail can make all the difference. As a thumbnail designer, you'll create eye-catching visuals that drive clicks and views. Start by learning tools like Canva or Adobe Photoshop, which are perfect for beginners. Many YouTubers pay $10 to $50 per thumbnail, and some even offer ongoing work for consistent designs. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Fiverr or reach out to YouTubers directly. With a bit of practice, you can turn this skill into a steady income stream. Fourth is affiliate marketing. If you enjoy promoting products and earning commissions, this skill is perfect for you. As an affiliate marketer, you'll promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Start by joining affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or ClickBank. Many affiliate marketers earn $100 to $5,000 per month, depending on their niche and marketing efforts. To stand out, focus on creating valuable content and building an audience. You can promote products through blogs, social media, or YouTube. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a passive income stream. Finally, let's talk about e-commerce store setup. Many entrepreneurs want to sell products online, but don't know how to set up their stores. As an e-commerce expert, you'll help them launch their online businesses. Start by learning platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, which are perfect for beginners. Many clients pay $100 to $500 per store setup, depending on the complexity. To stand out, focus on understanding your clients' needs and delivering user-friendly stores. You can find work on platforms like Upwork or by networking with local businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can become a lucrative part of your online income. And there you have it, 5 skills you can start learning today to make money online fast. Whether you choose data visualization, event planning, YouTube thumbnail design, affiliate marketing, or e-commerce store setup, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success comes from taking action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.